I'm gonna have some fun showing you a van today. And this thing is really nice, especially the wheels. I'm digging it. Let's go check this thing out. This is the 304 double standard. Of course, we had to do some modifications in order to fit this wheel and these BFG K02s under there. This is a 285/70/17. What we're doing is our Baja grocery getter kit. We are doing our Skyjacker coils, our Fox shocks, our extended radius arm, and you can see that the tire is not gonna rub on the back part of this when it turns. A little bit of trimming up here on the front fender, and that's about it. This kit is also gonna be fairly easy to install at home. So the last thing we did do on the front of this is our Fox steering stabilizer. That's going to really make it nice, especially when running a larger tire. I think we have to go check out the rear suspension. To the back we go. Let's talk about what's done underneath the back of this. Is we actually went with our full progressive leaf pack. We also added our Fox shocks to the back of this. I mean, talk about keeping it really simple. When you do go to the progressive springs, you do get quite a bit more articulation. Keeping that in mind when running a wheel, this is going to be a 17-inch wheel, 8.5 inches wide, 4 3/4 back spacing. You are going to have your tire very close to your inner wheel well. We don't want your tires rubbing on your wheel well and damaging your tire, really. That's the big thing. And if it does start to rub on there, we do have wheel spacers that you can run on the back of this. That's it for the lift kit. Let's meet Greg. I'm gonna pull him in here. Let's go check out at least the inside of his van. Come on. What led you to want a van in the first place?
Well, I just want to enjoy the outdoors, and something this size, it's going to work much better for what I had before, just a pickup truck with a rooftop tent.
You still have a rooftop tent though up on the top of this. That was on your truck before?
That was on my truck. It worked out fine, but I just have no room to carry anything inside. And I built this, and this way I have a 2-bedroom apartment, basically.
You're doing the build out yourself, which I love. Now the main staple piece in this build out is gonna be the spare tire. It's gonna double as a table as well.
A bar too.
Yeah, as a bar. Is this the kitchen and dining room and the bathroom all in one, you know? So what I really like is a couple things. I love the use of the drawers using the crates. I think that is awesome with the extruded aluminum. That made it really simple to build, right?
It worked out just perfect. I mean, I've got 6 drawers still to be able to handle all the equipment or whatever. Still making more space available for different things, but I just came up with that.
And that's nice. So it just, you push it and it unlocks, and then it's such a good use of a crate versus having to build out a whole drawer and all of that. It breaks, it's easy to replace. No, that is cool. And then you got your bed, and you're saying now with this bed, you're still able to go all the way across, which is nice.
Very comfortable. I've been in it a 3 nights so far. I'm happy with it. Really happy with the lift and the way everything looks.
Except for that first time. So he just jumped out of it as he pulled it out and jumped out of it and was like, whoa, that first, and we were, you know, Groundhog Day.
Yeah,
you know, watch that first step. It's a doozy.
It's a tough one.
This thing is looking awesome. I can't wait to see pictures of you having fun with it. I know you've already smashed that subscribe button and you're gonna come back next week and hang out with me. I'll see you guys in the next video.